Testing, 1, 2, 3s. Here's a big test. Can you find ripe avocados in Whole Foods? I'm moving away from the fruit smoothie. I'm on a 3-day cleanse into a green smoothie. 4 cups of water, 2 avocado, 4 cups of lettuce, 4 sprigs of mint. I don't do much to it. I maybe like take this off. I take this off right here, just those ends. 2 big old cups of spinach. Finding ripe avocados is tough nowadays. Take the side that has the pit, strike here, twist, and we're off to the races. I'm pretty stoked about this. I got this from my mother on my last trip home. It's an old lemon juicer that we've had sitting around there. No plastic, it's glass. I think it's beautiful. That's it, we're ready to roll. Blend it up right now. Can you find ripe avocados in Whole Foods?